In this video, we're going to explore how to animate your voice using Adobe Express. While in your SSO, find Adobe Express and open it. Once Adobe Express opens, you want to search for Animate Your Voice. From here, you can search from a variety of characters. I'm going to choose the pencil. You can also change the background. You can either scroll through the backgrounds to find one you like, or you can search for a background using the category filter. I'm going to choose the chalkboard classroom. You can also change the size of your video. I changed mine to landscape. You can adjust the animation size to make it larger or smaller. You can also move it around. When you have everything set, you can record your voice by clicking record. Hello, my name is Mr. Pencil, and today I'm going to show you how to animate your voice using Adobe Express. From here, you may have to wait a few moments to allow Adobe Express to generate your video. After your video has been generated, you can play back your video to listen to it. Hello, my name is Mr. Pencil, and today I'm going to show you how to animate your voice using Adobe Express. Once you've listened to your video, you can either choose to open the editor and make some changes, or you can download it straight to your computer. Thank you for watching.